Alright, so this is where we stopped before we took our break. We had determined we had a rectangle. We were looking for the area in the perimeter, and we determined the three formulas that we needed. Alright, so first thing it says is I must have the distance formula. So in order to do the distance formula, I've got to do something else first. What do I have to do? What do I have to do? Martavius.
Count the squares.
Alright, so do I have any lines that are horizontal or vertical? No. So can I count the squares?
Nope.
No. Good. Alright, so since I can't count the squares, I have to use the distance formula. And Miss Brown told us earlier that that was the square root of parenthesis x minus x parenthesis squared plus parenthesis y minus y parenthesis squared. So what do I have to do my x and my y?
And you make a teacher.
Well, points. Points. I gotta have my points. So first thing I have to do is I have to figure out where my points are. So u is over 7 up 3. So it's at 7, 3. V is over 9 and down 6. So over 9, down 6. T, it's back 5, up 0. And W appears back 3, down 9. Good. So back 3, down 9. Alright. So we're going to do the distance formula. So I'm going to start with point U and T. Point U and T. So D equals square root x minus x squared, y minus y squared. So, Miss Brown, what do I use next? My T-chart. Good.
Will all seniors please report to the auditorium for your meeting with Brown's graduation supply? All seniors report to the auditorium.
Alright, so my point is at -5, 0 and 7, 3. Alright, so what sign do I need to put out here beside my T-chart? A minus. So at this point, you use your little calculator. So -5 minus 7 is -12. 0 minus 3, -3. So distance equals the square root -12 plus Alright? So now, at this point, back to your calculator. You're going to enter it exactly like we see it here. Hold on. So parenthesis, negative 12, parenthesis squared is 144. So C equals the square root of 144. Alright? Now what do I need to do?
Do the other side like that.
So
Then it's gonna be 9.
parentheses, negative 3, parentheses squared is 9.
153.
Alright, so 153.
You're gonna have to do D and a little squiggly line. It'll be 12.36.
Is it going to be 36 or 37?
12.37.
12.37. So how much is this side?
12.37.
12.37. Alright. So I'm going to start. Same process. Alright, so I'm going to use five, 0, and negative 3, negative 9. Because I have to get the distance of that line segment. So, negative 5, 0, negative 3, negative 9. What sign do I put out here to the side? A minus sign. I'm going to enter it into my calculator exactly like I see it. Negative 5 minus negative 3 is, I agree, 0 minus negative 9, 9. Alright, so now I have my X's and my Y's. Negative 2. Y minus Y came out to a positive 9. So I'm going to enter it into my calculator.
481.
Good. So the square root of 85 is about how much?
9.21.
9.21.
The other side will be 9.21. That's gotta add on.
Alright, so from this point, you use your formulas. Perimeter, I'm going to add all of my sides. Area, I'm going to multiply my base times my height. Now, Any questions on how to do this on the coordinate grid?
We can go one more. Yeah.
All right,